Not theater.
Oh, just okay.
This is insane. Insane. Alright. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Disney's California Adventure. The Christmas tree is officially up today. Decorations are starting to go up. Let's go check it out and see what's what.
Yeah.
I was right. If it's your first time here, please like, please subscribe, please follow. All that fun stuff. Let's check out the Disney's California Adventure Christmas decorations. Tomorrow is a holiday. As I shoot this, tomorrow's Veterans Day. It is packed today. It took us about a half hour just to find a parking spot this morning, just to get into the parking structure. And I'll show you some video here of the lines to get in this morning. It was crazy. Got our Christmas tree up. Got some lights up, bows up. I believe this Friday, as I film this, it should be the 10th, I think, is the official kickoff. Then it's going to have a soft opening. Also, it's the start of the new shorter hours. Tonight, the park closes at 10 o'clock. Lights are coming up. Not really a fan of that. I think Disneyland has always been open until midnight. Not a fan of the early hours, but I don't know. I guess Disney needs to cut back to save costs. Sarcasm, sarcasm, sarcasm. DCA doesn't really do a lot for decorations. They do Buena Vista Street, their main street, and Cars Land, and I think some other stuff. So let's go check that out.
Boom.
Starting to set up their seasonal food offerings for their festival holidays. We'll be here before you know it. A little preview here. Holiday mash bowl, holiday M&M eclair, tropical holiday punch, cocktail. That's coming up. And of course, here we go, Cars Land.
Back my favorite.
Go on and look at it.
Got more holiday stuff coming up here. Here we have turkey leg. Ooh, the brisket slider. Yes, please. Cranberry Christmas mule. Caramel brownie white Russian. Nice, nice. And over here, Blues and Bites. Chorizo queso fundido. Cookies and cream hazelnut. Hot cocoa. Irish hot cocoa. And their festive beer flight and prices. So, we'll open up soon. Come back and get your nosh on.
Oh, that's perfect.
Again, this is a Monday, but tomorrow is Veterans Day, but it is packed. Can't get over there from here, but I got lights up. I'll get over there.
We used to be animals.
We have the lights are up in San Francisco. San Francisco. Will I get demonetized? We'll see. We got some more Christmas lights over here. Those are cute. Tomatoes in the mood. Got Christmas. Mater's a lot annoying.
He is. He's like a Patrick, but like a.
Just my opinion. Don't hate me.
Yeah.
You said like Patrick?
Yeah. Like Patrick, but a little less like dumb, you know? Because he's still smart in like some aspects. But Patrick.
What?
Heavy duty?
Christmas tree. Yeah, it's a short, sweet one today. Christmas lights and California Adventure. Thanks for watching. I'll try to make it back again when everything is up for realsies, and we'll show you more stuff. So, again, first time here, please like, please subscribe, please comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. We'll see where the road takes us.
Toilet.
Said the water wasn't good.
It's like